Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm making my own little mini paper clips out of German wire to create bracelets and earrings. I'm using 18 gauge Beadalon German wire, and I have a hammer and steel block. The tools are the Beadalon chain nose pliers, the 6-step bail making pliers, the 2mm, 4mm bail making pliers, the Glimmer Series nipper tool, and their nylon jaw pliers. We're starting with 2 inches of the 18 gauge German wire, and you need to cut the ends flush and file them down. So I have a burr cup tool. You can use a regular jewelry file if you prefer. Once those are rounded, we are going to take the bail making pliers, and with the smallest looping end, we are going to turn the wire at about 3/8 of an inch to start the paper clip shape. Then after that, we will go in with the next size end of the bail making pliers and bring the wire around parallel to the other wire. And now we're going to get the other bail making pliers and just slide that 4mm end in there and bring the wire around to complete the paper clip shape. Just push the wire in with your thumb. If that curve is too large, you can go in with your chain nose pliers just to flatten it out a bit and bring it in. Now we're going to put it on the steel block and just give it a few taps of the hammer. So tap it a few times and then flip it. Push the end in if it needs to be pushed in a bit, and give it a few more taps. So this will harden up the wire and flatten it a little bit. Now we can do any adjustments we need with the chain nose pliers to bring those ends in together. Press the piece with the nylon jaw pliers to make sure it's nice and flat. And all you have to do to connect them is just slide them together as you would with paper clips. Bring it around. You can make it as long as you need for a bracelet. Hook it together, and there's your very fun paperclip bracelet. And you can make a few extra paper clips to make some earrings. And there's the set. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. You can get the templates for many of my designs in my Etsy DIY shop, and be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. You can also join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. I also take special requests for the live streams, which happen over on Wire Lady TV. Every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, I troubleshoot new designs for wire art and wire jewelry. Be sure to share photos of your creations inspired by the tutorials and tag me at Heather Boyd Wire on Facebook and Instagram. Have fun with the bracelet, and we'll see you the next time.